Want to watch TikTok videos without constantly swiping to the next one? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the auto scroll feature on TikTok, so videos play hands-free automatically. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to the For You page. Once you're there, open any video and let it play for a moment. Now, press and hold anywhere on the video screen for a few seconds until a menu appears from the bottom. In this menu, look for the auto scroll option. Once you find it, tap on it to enable the feature. After turning it on, TikTok will automatically move to the next video without you needing to swipe manually. This is really useful if you're eating, relaxing, or just want a smoother, hands-free viewing experience. If you ever want to disable it, simply press and hold on the screen again, and tap auto scroll one more time to turn it off. Also keep in mind that if you don't see the feature yet, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, because some features roll out gradually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.